other trucks tremble when this tremendous monster makes its entrance. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the fearsome Galosaurus. The boss is now open. Totally destroyed. Smash. Wreck time. Flat spin. A vertical stop. Barrel roll. And like that, you're cashing out on that combo chain. All aboard, folks! This steam-powered machine is here to give you a wild ride. Let's all welcome Loco Punk! A barrel roll! Perfect landing right there. That's a barrel roll. That's a rollover. This means the chain is lost. That's a nosedive. The arena is now accessible. Timer is out. Time to close this perfect combo. Unbelievable! Loco Punk just executed a stunning maneuver. Too bad. This combo chain is lost. clean flat spin. Impressive bicycle. A clean barrel roll. Nice barrel roll right there. There goes the combo. What a shame. A good combo ending right there. The ultimate collector. This truck is here for a single reason, to clean up the competition. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome We'll Trash It All. A perfect landing. Big air. Track time. A clean barrel roll. Something is strong. A front flip right there. You got the key. The boss is now open. Look at that. That was We'll Trash It All's ultimate move. That's some damage. Combo chain successfully closed. Red time. Unbelievable chain of stunts closing right there.